Now see, one single line, many points are there, alright? So all these points are solution, and two line and intersecting, and it see, this is two line, but it is intersecting also, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is intersecting also, and if it is intersecting, it is one point common. There is one point which lies on both the line, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it has one solution. But sometimes it can happen like there are two lines, but it is not meeting. It means no point of intersection. Means there is no point which is satisfying both the equation. It means no solution, right? Zero solution.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now in term of equation, for example, I'm saying I bought one pen and one pencil of rupees 100 rupees. Now I'm saying I bought one pen and one pencil of rupees 300 rupees. So you will say it is not possible that one time you are giving 100 rupees and the other time you are getting 300 rupees. Means
Yes,
it is not the same thing, no? Means the pencil are not the same, right?
yes.
So that is the scenario in which it is not possible. And one more scenario I'm giving, pen and pencil cost is 100 rupees. Then I'm
So, ma'am,
saying
this
two
will
pen,
be
two.
infinity.
Then what?
Ma'am, so this will be infinity because there is only one line.
Yes. So for example, I'm saying I bought one pen, one pencil, 100 rupees. Then I'm saying I bought two pen and two pencil, 200 rupees. You will say the thing is same only. You're not giving any extra information, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The thing is same means the line are same. The equation is same. It lies on each other, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
it now it will have again infinitely many solution because it is single line only, and single
Yes,
line has infinitely many solution. Now this is your chapter basically. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
this is the main thing in your chapter. If two line intersecting, one solution. If two line parallel, no solution because they are not meeting at all, no point of intersection. And here all the points are intersection also, coincident line we can say. So all the points are solution only. Now see, again listen. You know very well that the general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right?
Yes, yes,
Now
ma'am.
you're dealing with pair of linear equation now, right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
If you're dealing with pair of linear equations, so we have to write like a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now there were three things, right? One was point of intersection, the other was parallel line, and the other was third was the same line, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this case, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, and c1 upon c2 will satisfy some condition. Here a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, and c1 upon c2 will satisfy the other condition.